I'm going to show you how to get into the parameters of the Ferroli Blue Helix High-Tech. We press this button here with the 3 dashes. It's got service. We press it again and it gives you 4 digits to put in. The code is 1234. It's very easy to remember. We start off on the right hand side, press the plus button, then we press the plus button on the left to move to the next number. We press the button on the right to change it to 2. Press the button on the left again, and then we change that to a 3. Press the button on the left again, and then we press the button on the right. 1234 is the code. Then what we do, we press this to enter and OK, and this is how we can get into the different parameters. TSP, transparent parameters. We can scroll down to test, and then if you press the back button, it's not an enter button, it actually goes back to the screen where we started. That's how you get into the parameters of a Ferroli Blue Helix High-Tech. If you found this video useful, if you can like and subscribe,